Hey, so there are several reasons why posting every single day could really help your channel. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. Yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made just under $50. So some people would say, is it really worth it? I mean, that's not a whole lot of money in terms of like, being able to pay the bills or becoming a huge content creator and these kinds of things. But the thing is, I just enjoy it. And that's the number one reason to post every day. If you enjoy making content, go ahead and do it. There's no reason not to. It's so easy nowadays to just upload something, record something, upload something. The bar is very low in terms of the process of actually doing this. But that's really kind of like the hobby kind of mentality, which first and foremost, this is my hobby. I enjoy it as a hobby. So that's why I do it. Secondly, though, some people have asked, why don't you post longer videos every day? I've been talking about how I really need the watch time. And some people say, and they're right, of course, that if you post longer videos, your chances go up of getting more accumulated watch time. So here's the thing. I only have so much time. And one commenter recently said, do it once a week. I've already committed to this daily process. In fact, before I started posting these 3-minute videos every day, I was posting just under a minute videos every day. I was posting these shorts. And I'm still posting those too. So in addition to my 3-minute video, I'm cutting that 3-minute video down to a short so that I can still post that, because shorts have the potential of getting more views than long form videos, just because that's how the algorithms work. So I post those shorts, but I was already in the process of making these short videos for that daily $1,000 in a year challenge. And so my question to myself was, how can I get more watch time while not putting significantly more time into the process? Because the thing is, I only have so much time. This isn't my full-time job. I do want to see it grow. I would love to see it grow, because that is my hobby. It's part of what I enjoy about this is thinking about the potential and the growth in all of that. But I also have other life responsibilities, so I can't devote all of my time to YouTube. So if you want to grow on YouTube, yes, if you could devote, making a 20-minute video every day, that'd be awesome. Or alternatively, if you can sink a lot of time and energy into making a really substantial, good 20-minute video once or twice a week, that'd be awesome. The question though becomes, is that your passion? Is that what you really want to do? Because if you can't sustain it long term, it's not going to be worth it to do it. So the question is, what do you want to do? Do what aligns with your goals, your passions, whether that be monetization or just having fun, having it as a hobby, and these kinds of things. Right now, for me, it means making these 3-minute videos every day, because that's what I'm passionate about. Hey, and if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.